Good morning, students. We shall take up an ion, and from that ion we shall find out the oxidation number of an element. I have taken an example of sulfate ion with -2 charge. Firstly, I took nitric acid which had no charge. Similarly, as done by nitric acid, similarly we write the formula of the given ion by leaving some space between the atoms. Now write X at the top of sulfur because its oxidation number is to be found out like this, and write the oxidation number of other element at its top. In this ion, find out the total number of the oxidation number. X multiplied by one sulfur atom is equal to X. 4 atoms of oxygen multiplied by the oxidation number of oxygen -2 -8. Sum total of these two will be equal to charge on the ion, that is -2. X -8 is equal to -2. The X is equal to +6. The oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate is +6. Thanks for that.